Welcome back. Believe it or not, just one candidate has crossed the limit of 6 lakhs in the recently concluded assembly poll. Legally, election expenditure is limited to 8 lakhs. Surprisingly, none of the MLAs or the candidates have exceeded this limit. Election record says MLA Rohan Kaunte has spent maximum of 6 lakh 20,000 rupees, while Joki Alemao has the least, only 97,000 rupees. Watch this report. Watch this election expenditure record, the highest being recorded of Porvorim MLA Rohan Kaunte with 6,20,765 rupees. Subhash Shirodkar with 5,33,069 rupees. Pandurang Matkaikar 5,21,348 rupees. Sankalp Amonkar 5,19,852 rupees. Pratap Gaus 4,90,119 rupees. Agnel Fernandez 4,83,750, Alex Reginald 4,83,073 rupees, Rudolph Fernandez 4,78,833, Nilkant Halankar 4,70,277, Vijay Sardesai 4,59,317, Tulio D'Souza 4,55,575, Jose Philip D'Souza 4,55,025 rupees, Uday Palyankar 4,45,852, Ritesh Naik 4,45,655, Valanka Alemao 4,46,369, Ashish Shirodkar 4,39,820, Govind Parvatkar 4,24,247, Yatin Parekh 4,15,590, Michael Lobo 4,04,596, Premanand Nasnodkar 1,99,565, Nilesh Kabral 1,95,705, Govind Gaude 1,72,513, Pratap Singh Rane 1,69,175. What's more surprising is that former Kunkoli MLA Joki Alemao's expenditure is just 97,115 rupees. Here is an expenditure record submitted by the heavyweights. Manohar Parikar 2,31,836, Digambar Kamath 3,37,510, Vishwajit Rane 3,34,099, Babush Montserrat 3,34,607, Sudin Daurikar 2,43,153, Nikki Pacheco 3,35,163, Ravi Naik 3,04,775, Churchill Alemao 3,65,936. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Diabetes Society Goa Association has been formed to control spread of diabetes in Goa. The association will be launched on Sunday at Azad Maidan in Panji. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar expressed concern over the spread of diabetes in the state.
ह्या डायबिटीसाचेर कंट्रोल करपाक आमी कोट्यांनी रुपया खर्च करतात आनी आमचो खर्च हो दर वर्सा वाडत आसा. खरें म्हणजे आमचो सक्सेस हो कितलो खर्च पोरू बजेटांत ह्या विशयाचेर आमको खर्च केलो, दुसऱ्या वर्सा तो वाडलो जाल्यार आमचो भितर सक्सेस ना. सक्सेस आमचो हातून दिसतलो जर आमचो खर्च कंट्रोल जालो जाल्यार.
The Diabetes Society Goa will have a walk commencing from Azad Maidan till Miramar on Sunday. People from medical and non-medical organizations will participate in this march. During the march, there will be a mass enrollment of members in Diabetes Society Goa. This enrollment is free of cost for those patients registered on 22nd April.
How diabetes can be brought under proper control. Intentions are three. जेका डायबिटीस जावंक ना तेका डायबिटीस आमी जावंक दिवंक जायना. जेका डायबिटीस जाल्या तेजी डायबिटीस आमी बऱ्या भशेन कंट्रोलान हाडूंक जाय. आनी जेका डायबिटीस कॉम्प्लिकेशनां जाल्या त्या मनशाक सुद्दां कॉम्प्लिकेशनां ट्रीट करून आमी कंप्लीट लायफ दिवंक जाय.
First of all, we will be not using the disposable pens, we will be using permanent pens where the cost will come down. And secondly, the analog insulins will be used only in those patients where it is absolutely essential, not indiscriminately. So we are very sure with that the cost will come down drastically.
A reporter in Panjim, Devendra Gaonkar.
The state government may cancel mining leases that are not in operation for past more than 2 years. Directorate of Mines has sought legal opinion from the Law Department on identification and cancellation of such mining leases. Meanwhile, the government is in process of formulating new rules for regulating the mining traffic. The process is likely to be completed by 26th of April. Mines Department is on the move to curb illegal mining in the state. Director of Mines and Geology Prasanna Acharya filed an affidavit in reply to a PIL before Goa bench of Bombay High Court on Wednesday. Directorate of Mines and Geology is working to draft Goa Minerals Rules 2012 to replace the earlier rules. Rules are already underway to cover issues like registration of vehicles and barges, regulation of transportation of ore by transit passes, implementation of RFID, GPS system, etc. for curbing illegal mining activities and demarcation of boundaries of mining leases in the state. Mines Department has also asked for daily report on transportation of ore from the mining firms. The main points in the affidavit are mining policy before commencement of next mining season, zero tolerance for illegal mining, every sort of illegalities, licenses issued to traders suspended pending scrutiny, mandatory to register vehicles, barges with Director of Mines, every mining truck to display transit pass with details, control centers to be installed outside every mine, software to tackle royalty challan, export NOCs, transit pass. Meanwhile, sources from the Mines Department informed that the documents submitted by the 188 traders will now be taken up for verification. Action will be taken against those 172 traders who have not submitted their documents. Officials also say that the department is in process of framing new rules for transportation of ore. The department expects to complete the process by 26th April. Our reporters Navdeep Aguiar and Jason Suarez. Morjim Taluka doesn't have a single well-equipped garden. Gardens at Baina and Chikli are lying in a sorry state. No proper play zones and zero maintenance. Moreover, these gardens have become a hub of anti-social elements.
Have a look at this. This is Municipal Garden of Morjim Taluka situated at Baina. No swings and broken slides. Have a look at these kids. They have prepared their own swing with the help of mats and cloth. The badminton court has become a cricket pitch. Locals claim that municipality does not pay any attention to the dilapidated condition of the garden.
ज्या भुरग्यांक आवय बापूय नासता पळय त्या परिस्थिती ह्या गार्डनाची जाल्लेली आसा सध्या.
कोण मेंटेन करता बीन
हे मेंटेनन्स म्हळ्यार ते पयलीं म्हणल्यार ते आमी ल्हानपणा पासून आयकताले चौगुलेचें गार्डन म्हणून कितें मागीर आमकां कळ्ळें की म्युनिसिपालिटी मेंटेन करता म्हणून. आतां आमच्या वास्कोन जावं बायणान जे कितके खंयचे कावन्सिलर येता ह्या वॉर्डाचेर पयलीं 10 जाले आतां 12 जालो नंबर 11 जालो कितें पूण एकूय कावन्सिलरान अशें एकूच हांगासरले ह्या गार्डनाचें कांयच म्हणून डेव्हलपमेंट करूंक ना.
Moreover, some anti-social elements have made this garden their hub.
आणि हांगसर अशें तुमी पळयलां आसतलें जाणटे हांगसर पत्त्यांनी बित्त्यांनी खेळटा.
ना पत्त्यांनी बसता ते टायमपास करता ते बसता न्हू आमी शकना का सांगू न्हू पब्लिकाक काय सांगू शकना आमी.
It's the same story at Chikalim too. Equipments are not in a state to use, but still some kids use it with their lives at risk. Some of the handcart operators are using this garden as a garbage dumping place. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Matkekar.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.